Starting a business in the Sunshine State offers a thrilling opportunity for growth and success. The journey begins with understanding Florida's business licensing process, an essential step to legally launch and operate your venture. The right business license acts as your entryway into Florida's bustling marketplace, ensuring compliance with state regulations and setting you up for success. This segment offers an insight into the crucial steps and benefits of obtaining the necessary license, providing a broad overview and preparing you for a deeper exploration of the application process. Venturing into Florida's business landscape requires navigating the licensing application process, a path laden with promise yet seeming complex initially. This segment simplifies these steps, guiding you in selecting the ideal business license, assembling required documents, and outlining submission procedures. Categorically, identifying the correct license is pivotal, as it varies by industry and operation type, ensuring your endeavor abides by legal and operational standards. Subsequently, collecting necessary paperwork becomes paramount, from personal identification to proof of your business's locale. Lastly, you'll learn about the dual submission pathways Florida offers: online for convenience and direct access, or postal for those preferring physical confirmation. This tailored approach eases your journey to a fully licensed business, setting the stage for addressing common questions and misconceptions in the following segment. In concluding our guide, we tackle common inquiries and dispel misconceptions about securing a business license in Florida. The process, perceived by some as overly complex, unfolds smoothly with preparedness and an understanding of the requirements. Challenges, such as paperwork identification and submission nuances, become manageable with organizational skills and adherence to guidelines from Florida's licensing authorities. Moreover, a wealth of resources, including official state websites and entrepreneurial forums, offer guidance and shared experiences. As you move forward in your entrepreneurial journey, armed with this knowledge, we encourage leveraging these resources. The path to realizing your business vision in Florida is clear, and with each step, you're advancing towards success. Let's embark on this endeavor together.